With the machine now being ready, we will see how to set up all the parameters on this HFNO. We switch on the power source. We have connected oxygen source one end to the flow meter on the wall and other end to the oxygen port on the airvo. We switch it on by pressing the power button for 5 seconds. What we now see is the last disinfection time. This, if it is in orange, we don't use it. We make sure to disinfect by fitting this red tube and until we get a green signal. This is done for 55 minutes. I'll show you the details later. At this stage, if it is a junior mode, we get this symbol, a butterfly and a bird together. If it is an adult mode, we don't get these two symbols. If it is in the junior mode, we press this play button for 5 seconds so that there is a change of mode. And this at present is in the adult mode. We see 3 numbers. First one is the temperature, second the flow, and third the FiO2. First we have to set each parameter step by step. We press the play button. First parameter which we are going to set is 37 degrees Celsius. This value is preset for an adult. But in case there is a high condensate in the circuit tubing, then we can try and reduce it, or if the patient feels too much warmth or hot towards his nose, then we can set the temperature. To unlock the screen, we press both the up and the down arrow keys together for 5 seconds. Now see, the unlock button is open. We can either press it down, 37 is maximum. We can make it 34 or 31. We usually keep it at 37 degrees for an adult. We press the play button again to lock the screen and then move on to set the flow. Here the flow is 10 liters per minute. This is the least possible flow for an adult. The screen is locked. You press both the up and the down arrow keys together for 5 seconds to unlock the screen. The screen is now unlocked. We press the up arrow key for an adult to increase the flow. We usually start around 35 or 40 and then slowly go up by 5 liters per minute every 5 minutes so that he tolerates the high flow. You press the play button again, the screen is locked. Press the play button again to set the FiO2. This FiO2 is adjusted by altering the flow on the oxygen port. When the flow on the oxygen port is adjusted, the FiO2 changes. We usually start at an FiO2 of 40 and then go up till 60%. Press the play button again so that the screen is locked and the setting is now ready for application on the patient. The nasal interface is connected to the circuit and taken for application on the patient. The nasal cannula is applied like this so that there is good amount of space around the nasal cannula for the patient to expire, and this is fixed with straps and tightened as needed.